Hello everyone. So today I'll show you how to use and install GraalVM native image on Windows. So let's start. Just go to this URL graalvm.org/docs/getting started Windows. Once you are there, you'll see that there are steps to install it. There are for JDK 11 also and JDK 8 also. In this video, we'll be focusing on JDK 11. For JDK 8, there is a slight difference. You need to have this GRM SDKX ISO file and you need to mount it. And in case of JDK 11, you need MSVC 2017 or later. In our case, we'll be using 2019. And we are focusing on Windows only because for Linux and Mac, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to install GraalVM and you can use native image from there. So let's start with the prerequisites. So what you need is you need MSVC 2017 or later. In our case, we will be using MSVC 2019. So to do that, you just have to search for Visual Studio 2019. The link will be download Visual Studio for Windows. Once you have that, you just have to install this free download and this one. Once you have this, in our case, we already downloaded it. So we will open it. Press yes. Once you are there, you need to continue. It will take a minute. So my advice is use good internet connection because the setup is quite large. Once that's done, in my case, I'm seeing some update. It's like I can do it later. For the video part, like in your case, you will be installing it. In our case, I just need to show you the packages which you need to use for native image. So this one will be the package. Desktop development with C++, you need to click it and just install it. Install while downloading or install it. Once that's done, you're good to go. So once you have installed it, you can search it here. This one, this x64 native tool. Command prompt for VS19. So this one for VS 2019. So you will be using this one for native image. Once you have this one, so let's start with an example. I already created a hello world example here. You can create it by yourself. It's quite easy. Just a main method and sys out. Let's go to the terminal. Let's check if you're using the correct version. Okay, so it's correct. We can do is check normal stuff. You can see it's working correctly. And if you try creating native image out of this, you'll see that you'll get an error that you don't have the tool chain. You see, don't have the correct CL tool chain for running this native image. So for that, you need this command prompt here. So what you can do here is you need to go to the path. Okay. Okay, I'm there now. So if you run the same thing here, but in just to let you know that the path are set only for VS Code terminal, not here. So if you try here, it won't work, won't recognize it. So what you have to do is you need to go to the path where it's installed, or you can set the path here also, but it's easier if you have multiple versions. So what you need is just easy, have this, you just one more thing, you need to write a flag here. What this flag does, no fallback, is it tells native image that once the image is created, it won't need JVM to run it. That's what it does. So once you do it, it might take a minute. In some cases, you might see a warning from your antivirus also, but nothing to worry. It's just native stuff, so it just get cautious, but nothing will come up or nothing will get deleted out of this. You just need to close that. And once it's done, you can see that there will be some other files will be created, and there will be one file named exe. So your native, it will run directly. You can double click it, but it's a DOS stuff, so you just need to run it. So what you can do is like this, voila. See, it will work by itself. You don't need Java command or anything. And to do the same stuff, if you have a jar file, what you need to do is you need to use jar option for that. Maybe in the later videos, I'll create a video which explain how to use that, because it's very quite interesting features which it has, and native image is quite good to explore further also. Thank you everyone. If you have any question, please comment and let me know. I'm happy to help. Thank you.